Hello. So, despite the weaker than expected non-farm payrolls reports on Friday and the increasing expectations on Fed rate cuts, we can still see that the US dollar index and major dollar pairs are holding above key support levels. And with respect to the gold chart, it's still holding near the $3,600 record. Now, starting with the dollar yen chart, it's currently holding above the boundaries of a trend line connecting the consecutive higher lows extending from April 2025, and it's currently holding above the 147 support. And the latest resignation of the Japanese Prime Minister also is supporting that current potential bullish outlook. Now, with respect to the weekly relative strength index indicator, it's also pointing towards the upside, coming from below and breaking out above the 50 barrier, potentially paving the way towards a bullish outlook. Now, from the upside, we have key levels between 149, 149.50, and the 151 for potential bullish breakout opportunities on the dollar yen chart. Now, from the downside, if the pair does manage to have a clean hold below the trend line and below the 147 mark, a key support level I'm eyeing is the 146 for potential bullish positioning once again, or potential revival of that bullish outlook. If not, a clean hold below 146 might increase chances for bearish reversal risks on the dollar yen chart, possibly back towards levels between the 146 and the 144 and the 142 zones respectively. Now, with respect to the gold chart, from a daily time frame perspective, we can still see the continuation of that bullish breakout out of the 5-month consolidation or the 5-leg triangle pattern on the chart, which is expected to reach the 3,780 to the 3,800 mark for the pull potential of that target. It's currently holding near the $3,600 resistance. A clean hold above 3,600 is needed to be able to continue that bullish forecast, which might lead up towards the $4,000 checkpoint towards the end of 2025 or the beginning of 2026, if that momentum is going to proceed with a clean hold above the 3,800 mark. Now, from the downside, key support levels are in sight for potential pullback. Risks or opportunities on the horizon to recharge that overbought momentum we're currently seeing on the gold and the Haven charts. And the key levels I have in sight are 3,520 as an initial support. For deeper pullback risks, we can find potential support near 3,480 and 3,450, aligning with the upper border of that respected 5-month consolidation for potential long-term positioning, once again on the gold chart towards its respective records. If not, a clean hold below 3,450 might reignite neutral to bearish forecasts on the gold chart once again. Key events to be watching out for this week for potential haven and dollar volatility risks are today's EU confidence vote, the developing political outlook of Japan, and Thursday's US CPI report for potential impact on the upcoming Fed rate cut policy.